guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a voiceover showing you guys how I got this nice brown smoky eye look, and I used a bunch of affordable and drugstore products for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get to it. First thing is my brows, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics brow spoolie and my Got To Be Glued. I'm using this to tame my brow hairs. My brows are sparse, but the hairs are unruly, so I'm pressing that into my brows. And my lips was dry, y'all, so I had to put some gloss on. But this NK Bold Eye Pencil was only $2, and it's one of my favorites, along with the Airspun, another one of my favorite drugstore setting powders. So I'm tapping this into my brows to cancel out any oil, and then I go in drawing my brows. Now I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer, another staple concealer that I have in my kit, and I'm just mixing it on the back of my hand and concealing the bottom of my eyebrows with this color. So I actually picked up the wrong color, and you can see me noticing that now. It was actually way lighter than I expected, but I was just like, whatever. So this darker color I'm using on top of my brows, and I'm mixing it with that lighter color to kind of get like my perfect skin tone. So I'm using that to conceal the top half of my brow. I'm taking my Airspun Setting powder and I'm putting it all over my face before I put on my foundation. Guys, this has changed my foundation routine. It is really helpful if you have oily skin. It makes a world of difference. Now I'm going in with my Fit Me and my Superstay. These are two of my favorite drugstore foundations. I always recommend these for beginners because you will not be disappointed. So now I have my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, and I have my Fenty Match Trio in Caramel. This trio is a great deal. You get 3 of them for $24. I mean, you can't pass that up. And it's Fenty. I mean, come on. Like, who doesn't want the Fenty? I like to blend out my concealer with my Morphe sponge rather than a brush. I feel like this just gives me the most flawless coverage. And when I tell you I was bumping while I was doing my makeup, y'all, I was going crazy. Now I'm using my LA Girl concealer, and I think this is in medium beige, the color I used on my brows. And I'm using this to just brighten up my highlight just a little bit more because I wanted just a little bit more of a brighter under eye. So I'm using the darker color that came in my Matchstick Trio. I forgot the name of this, but I will remember. I'll put it in the description. I'm using this to contour my nose, my forehead, my cheekbones, all that good stuff, and blend it out with my sponge. Using my Airspun to set my under eyes and my whole face. I like to press it into my face before I pack it on. That just gives me like an easier job dusting it off once I'm all baked. So this is my Morphe 350 palette, and it looks crazy, I know, but it's one of my favorite palettes, and I use the colors in here to contour my face. They just give me like that perfect warmth that I need back to my skin. For my highlight, I'm using my Milani Baked bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers for like a subtle highlight, nothing too strong, and I'm going to use this right on my cheekbones. I went in with a smaller brush just to get it a little bit more targeted on my brows and on my cheeks. I'm setting the underneath of my cheekbones because I wanted my contour to be a little bit sharper. And as you can see, it was a little too sharp, but I fixed it in the end. Don't even worry about it. So this blush isn't actually very affordable, but I did get it as a gift, and it's my favorite blush. But if you don't have the Chanel blush, you can use any pink that you have in a palette and it will work perfectly fine. For my eyes, I use the same palette that I used to contour, and I just blended out a couple of shades to get my light brown smoky eye. I used a lighter shade in my crease area, and then I went in with a darker shade on my lid, and I just blended everything out. So on to lashes, my favorite part. I got these from Melvina Minks, and these have become my new favorite lashes. Like, I love them. I love 25mm lashes. I love them to be nice and wispy and fluffy like these are, and they're just amazing. Same with this cute little tweezer. I mean, how cute is that? So this is my go-to lip combo, my Dollar NK lip pencil in dark brown, and my NYX lip lingerie and my Broadway clear gloss. Y'all know I had to have a snack in between. I was filming for way too long and I was starving, so I had to have a lunch break. So this is the finished look, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, like and comment, tell me what you guys think. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.